tight fit. But so far, no arcing, no more sparking back and forth. The old distributor, it worked. That EJ distributor is defective, so that fixed the problem. Has a little tiny miss, but it's driving really well, and I think once I change the spark plugs, it's going to be okay. Because the spark plugs in there, and they're really old, so good. You can hear that magna flow. It's all dirty. There's a resonator. It's the magnet. And it's not blowing black smoke no more, so it's not running real rich. It is running a little bit, but the computer still has to reprogram itself. The RPM set around 1,000, and when I put it in gear, it's around 600. Yeah. So there, the beast is back on the road. I just need to clean it up inside. Well, there's the video. A lot of work and a lot of time in this thing, and it's been a headache, but I think I finally got it. I'm so happy.